Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Dropbox app to scan in some documents and then save them as one PDF. So first you need the Dropbox app. So I'm going to open that up and I've created a folder where I can save this. I'm going to go choose the plus sign down at the bottom right and say to scan document. Alright, now I don't have to click anything, I just hold it still and it'll take a picture. Now if I wanted to be done, I'd click the arrow in the upper right and then I could save it. But if I want to add more pages to this document, I can hit add page in the bottom right. Okay, so open it up, I'll bring it down. Okay, takes another one. Now let's get the other side. Okay, again, all I had to do was hold it over the image. I didn't have to click, I didn't have to tell it to take the image. All right, well that's enough of these. So now I'm going to hit that arrow in the upper right. If I wanted to, I could change the file name. So I'll just click in here and change anything I like. You'll notice it's saving here as a PDF file, which is what I want. I'll click the check mark in the upper right. And it's going to create this PDF for me. Once it does, I can use that, I can upload that PDF to somewhere, I can share it with somebody via email, I know where it is. So this is going to give you a way of uploading the documents for our class. Notice on my phone at least, it's going to take some amount of time before it actually completes this conversion to a PDF. I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. Usually, I'll just leave it there for that long, come back and it's already done. Okay, so I hope this works out well for you.